message ko po is that there is nothing impossible if you have faith. Tsaka, no matter how difficult your situation may be right now, you just have to hang on and never lose hope. Because we have a good God and He's good all the time. So, nagsimula lahat ng to, yung sa Cupcakes for a Cause, through a small letter. That was my act of surrender na. I gave up everything to Him, and in so many ways, He made it possible for me na makakilala ng mga iba't ibang tao na mabubuti ang loob na tumutulong sa amin ngayon. And dahil doon, we had hope na magtutuloy-tuloy itong Cupcakes for a Cause. Kaya, don't lose hope. And there's always a solution to every problem basta you have faith in Him. Tsaka, siguro, ang pinakamagandang mensahe na maibibigay ko is that you can only experience the fullness of life if you learn to love fully. So, dun po sa mga mahal natin sa buhay na hindi natin masyadong nakakausap or na-express yung feelings natin, it's about time that we do. Kasi, gaya nga sabi ni Ching kanina, we'll never know kung hanggang kailan sila nandyan. And, yun. So, express your love as much as you can. And that's the only way that you will find the peace and real happiness that you need in yung talagang wala ka nang hihilingin pa sa buhay. Yun lang po.